So in 2023, is a lot of ChatGPT and Google Bard. Do you think those are the best AI tools right now?
There are many large language model coming out. There's one from Meta. It's open source. I would say at this point, ChatGPT is still the best. I prefer ChatGPT better than Google Bard.
Okay. Wow.
Google Bard has some advantages because they own the search engine.
Yes, they own Google, they own
have access to all the data.
They have all the data, yes.
Yeah, but other than that, I mean, they all have positive and negatives. And there's another one. Let me just share with you here. This is the one that actually Google invests billions of dollars.
Claude.ai. Wow.
This is another powerful one. Let me tell you the real use case I did most recently, actually 2 weeks ago.
Okay.
I had an opportunity to respond to a federal grants proposal.
Wow.
And I'm not a good grant proposal writer.
Yep.
By all means. But I was brave enough to try the ChatGPT, Google Bard, and this one. All three combined. You think about like all three AI engines combined together helped me to pull together an almost perfect federal grant proposal in less than 2 hours.
Wow. Wow.
That is the power.
That's a great example. Wow.
I don't care what other people say about AI.
That's a great example because writing grant is very complex, actually.
Very complex.
Yeah, it's not easy.
It is not easy at all. Yeah. I was like working with like 3 professional grant writers in front of me.
Yeah.
Here's this. How do you use that? It was kind of fun too, you know, I tell you.
So do you think that Claude, this AI chatbot, is also as good as ChatGPT?
You know,
or not yet?
It's hard to say. I would say it does have some potential. I think the length of actually has more capacity. But one thing I realized that you need to train the AI models. Right now, I have been using ChatGPT for some time. So it's getting really smarter about my business.
Okay.
Because I've been feeding a lot of data to it. Even though they don't have access to the internet, but because the data I've been feeding to it, so it gets smarter. I don't have to say too many stuff.
Oh, wow.
The AI gets it. That's the amazing part. And you really have to spend time to train the model, right? They're like intern. They need to get trained, right? But it's worth it. It's definitely worth it.
Yeah, that's a great advice because you are one of the first person I hear talking about that, to train the model, because a lot of people do prompt engineering, asking the AI. But like you said, if you can spend time to feed it a lot of data about your projects, your business, then it's it knows you now. It's like it's like your personal assistant now.
Yeah, absolutely. Hey, by the way, it's free.
It's free. Yeah.
You cannot beat that.
Yeah. It's a free personal
and
assistant.
on demand. Even you hire an intern, they're not ready for you 24/7, right?
Yeah.
So you cannot beat that. But anyway, yes.
So do you think AI, what are some of the jobs that are going to be impacted or replaced by AI?
Impacted by AI, anything that can automate it, like call center agents, there will be they don't need call center agents anymore. Yeah, seriously. There are a lot of jobs that are manually done. They're not going to be around too long. I mean, the copywriting, I mean, you've seen some impact already, right? I mean, people start to using AI to do a lot of copywriting.
Right.
But I think you still need someone to edit it.
Yes.
I mean, it doesn't do 100%.
Yes.
I would say the challenge is that you gotta now we're in the competing with the machine, right? You cannot compete with machines by doing specific tasks. It's no match.
Yep.
Right.
Yep.
This is a supercomputer machine.
Yep.
They already read billions of books. How can you compete?
No, you can't.
No match.
Yep.
We have to look at it from an architecture point of view. That's where we bring the value, and that's why I will be offering new ideas in my new ebooks, where we can share some of the value. One of the things that I can see are the AIX network, right? That we can share the value, because we can capture the data, we can learn more, we can provide more values. The other thing that we want to do is to launch a virtual book expo with AI to it. So if you're an author, have a virtual booth, we can take your ebooks and upload and create a custom AI chatbot for you.
Oh, wow.
So before people buy the book, they can ask any question they want.
Wow.
Those are some of the fun projects I'm super excited to launch. Any book publishers, anyone, come talk to me.
Yeah, that's a great idea, actually.
I have the platform already. You just need to just lay anything else, right? We need the ecosystem.
And people are publishing books all the time, so that's gonna be a great market for you.
Oh yeah, that's a great market.